reduce the suspension trauma concern that we have. So she's not performing the rescue, but what she's doing is giving us a longer time to be able to perform the rescue. Once she's done that, we're not really worried about having to rush. We still want to get her down quickly though. So I'm going to do a rescue using what we call an R550. This is a 10-to-1 mechanical advantage system. And one of the things that we want to make sure we do as an industrial rescue, as a coworker doing rescue, I don't ever want to expose myself to a greater risk than I would during my daily work. So I'm here, I'm still connected. I'm going to take my system, I'm going to use a pole that gives me the ability to reach down, hook into her D-ring without ever leaving the safety and my connection point. Once I've made that connection, I'm going to take all the slack out of the system. I'm going to run the extra rope up through the pigtail and down through the cleat in the back. Then I'm going to use the 10-to-1 mechanical advantage wheel and I'm going to raise her up. I only need to go up a few inches, just enough that I can take the slack out of her system so that I can then lower her down. Once I start to lower her down, there's a couple options that I have. I can control her speed through the wheel or through the rope and the gearing, or I can let it go and let it go by itself, and it'll go about 3.5 feet per second. I'm going to take that, hook it right into the rope. Now she's ready to go down. Again, I can hold her entire weight here, just a couple fingers, and I can control that speed as she goes, or I can let it go and she's going to go about 3.5 feet per second all the way down to the ground. So again, that would be one option where